Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing some more Slime Rancher. So remember to do all of the regular YouTube stuff, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff if you like today's video. Now let's get into it. Alrighty, back on the farm once again. So let us return to the ranch and see what we're working with. We got some plort. Plorts. Plorts. Have that heartbeat. Oh, that's the plort. Heartbeat. Give me that back. Yep. And then hen. We just need some more. Hen, get out of here. We need more plorts so that we can get some more money. So that hopefully we can upgrade our pens. So let's go and turn these in real quick. Alrighty, so rats aren't doing so well, but the crystal slime seems to be doing really well. So we might have to find ourselves going that way. Got some roostros, we got an elder hen, roostro. Got some cheats. Yeah, chickadoo. Heartbeats are coming in. Ooh, more of these. Yeah, ow, I get it. Irradiated, ouch. Stop it. You guys are so mean. Turn all these in. I actually think that we have enough to... Ow! Oh, nope. You get back in there. Oh, no, please don't. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna go back over here. Okay. Let us go back to... There's a lot of rad slimes out here. Are there any chickens, though? Actually, I might need these carrots, because I think I remember seeing another, Gordo. So we're gonna collect all of these for the Gordos. Okay. Yeah. So where was it again? It was over here, I think. And is there any not kitty cats, chickens, roostro. I can take the chickadoos, though. Definitely take the chickadoos. Yeah. Is there more? No, there are not more chickens. Okay. So let's make our way over to the kitty cat. Chicken, but I can't grab you. And those are the stony hens. Let's add you in there and you in there. See if we can gather any of these hens before they're eaten, and of course we didn't. Whoosh. These guys are merciless when it comes to eating all the chickens up. Oh. Okay, Tabby-san. Yeah, okay. So let's go back over to the, what is it, the Emerald Fields? Something like that. Who cares? And here we are. Whoop. Let's make our way. Heartbeats might come in handy. That pink plant won't. I will take that chicken. So that maybe we can get some more chickens? Oh, those are the stony hens. Can't get the... Ow, ow. Okay. That hurt. I'm just... I'm gonna go this direction for looking at more of that stuff over here. So there's where that Gordo is. It's a briar hen. I could probably come back for the briar hen at some point. Let's go over here. Oh, we got some mail. But I want to come over here and feed this Gordo really quickly. Ooh, odd onions. Those are pretty cool. Oh, there's some water slimes. I want to pick some of those up. But, I have to go and empty out some of my inventory before I can. So let's empty... Oh! Ow, 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 ow. Chickens. Chickens. Maybe feed that to the kitty cat. Yes, the Gordo. Feed you carrots. Then go back for the water slimes. Are you jiggly? You're not jiggly enough. Okay, I'll have to go get some more vegetables. There's so many pink rocks. Oof. Okay. Run. Oh no. I did not run properly. Ooh, there's some carrots. So that's a cuberry. Carrot. What kind of chicken are you? You're a briar. So there's carrots over here. Very cool. The one puddle slime. Yeah. Okay. So let us find some more of these vegetables. I remember seeing some over here, I think. Those are the oka-okas, but there's carrots over here. There's carrots that I didn't even get to get. Those are cute. I love it when they stack together. They're really cute. Okay. Ow. You know what? Out of here with you. Okay. I'm not gonna... Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna go and... We're gonna go try to finish feeding the rest of this, rock. Ow. I'm surprised that the pink rocks didn't eat all the chickens. Ow. Because the pinks will eat literally everything. Anything that you put inside of their face, pretty much. Okay, so you still need more. You're not even close to being full. That one just threw itself into the abyss. I can oddly relate. So let's keep going into this danger zone. Oh, angry rads. Heartbeats. That'll be helpful if we can find some more of those. Oh, there goes the chicken. Yeah. There's the stony briar. I bet that's a briar chickadee. Yep. Have we been here? I feel like we have. It's been a little bit since I picked this up. I'm stocking up on the chickens while I can. Oh, that's a tar slime. What is over here? Oh. Oh, yes, yes, yes. I remember this area. This is where that teleporter is, right there. Ooh, some more heartbeats. Oh, and there's an odd onion growing. Okay, so let's see if there's anything else. Because I know we've been over here. I need to stop running, especially when I can't see. I want to get to that over there, but I need... You just spawned out of thin air, and there's stony hens down there. Carrots. I could use those carrots, but I need my puddle slime. I'm not going home without it. They're so adorable. They're one of my favorites, the puddle and the, who are they? Man, I keep forgetting. It's a puddle and a, like, the lava fire slime. Not these guys, not the boom slimes, but, like, the lava-y ones. They're so cute. Okay. That's gonna hurt. Yep. Okay, and now... I think we've been over there. There wasn't anything, so we'll go this way. And that's a key. Okay. So... let's go back and explore that other section. I'll see you there in a second. Ow. Okay. So we are back to feed this little dude some of these heartbeats. Oh, he is puffed full. Nice. So that is just a ow. That's just another route around. It's a briar. So where was it we were going? This other direction. I got a little lost. So woo. Nope, I just failed. Aw, man. Oh, there are so many chickens! I'm so mad at myself. And I had a water slime. Oh well. There's not really much I could do about that. Oh, we do have a puddle. That's so cute. Okay, I forgot that we had gotten him. Hello, cutie. Okay. We didn't lose money, at least, so we're good on that front. I'm just mad that we didn't get to feed all the chickens to the chicken thing. And we lost all of the, chickadoos. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I need... I'll grab those later, probably. Those probably are hungry. Here, let's see about upgrading this, because we got money, so we're gonna buy a port collector and an auto feeder. So that's going to help us just a little bit. And we're gonna put all of these heartbeats in there. Nice. So we don't have to worry about these guys as much. We're gonna put all of these in there, and then we should have some plorts. Okay. You guys are being butts. I don't really have an auto feeder for you just yet, but let me buy you a plort collector so I don't have to go into your cage anymore to, like, hurt myself to get your plorts from you. Okay, rebuilding back up the capital. I feel so dumb. I forgot that stamina is a thing. I might want to upgrade that in a little bit. Am I missing? No. I guess I'm missing a red plort. I don't know where it would go though. Sorry, thought I saw something up there. Those aren't bad prices for these. Okay, let's see what upgrades we can get. Is there a power? That will be insanely helpful. That would be helpful too. Okay. So, let's try collecting some more veg, I guess, and not sure if we need it actually, but it's always good to have some on hand in case you find a Gordo. Chickadoo. Actually, I might want to leave these so that I can collect some hens, because I want to feed that kitty. Yes, I want to feed the kitty cat. Oh, that's an elderly no. No. Oh, man. I wanted to throw out the plorts, but I guess the chicken... Okay. Give me the chicken. Boop. I guess I booped? What is boop? Achievements? What is boop? Ooh, I almost have fortunate. What is boop? Stay up all night, not my morning. Catch. So, boop. Tell a tabby, let a tabby, okay, yeah. Love that. I guess it headbutted me straight in the nose. Okay. We're gonna go up and around over here. And then we're gonna try... Ow! Rock slimes. Try to get these... Oh, yes. Where are you? Yes. Where'd the plort go? Ow. There was no plorts? Where'd the gold plorts go? Well, that was unfortunate. Oh. At least the chicken stayed safe up here. I think the only ones over there that are safe is the chickadees. Which would be great for me, because I can put them in my little coop. Ow. But I do have room for all of the chickens. Oh, oh. That just disappeared? I need to figure out how to, deal with the gold slimes. Stony chickadoo. But you've got regular chickadoos. So, okay, let's throw the stony in first. Oh, man. You're a gluttonous kitty cat. I would have had more to feed you, but unfortunately I threw them into the abyss. I'm gonna leave this one stony chick. It'll grow up into a chicken and feed the local ecosystem. Please don't attack me. Okay. I do want to go back in there and try to explore where I was trying to go. My cats are being weird. They're making noises out in the living room. Again, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I had fun recording it. And again, welcome to the Fruit Cup.